Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to solve Shopify domain name Bad Auth Code. So let's get started. So first of all, log in into your Shopify store, and then go to your Shopify admin page. After that, from the left menu bar, you have to click on the online store button under sales channel, and from that few options will appear. Now click on the domains button, and after that click on the connect existing domain button. After clicking on connect existing domain button, you have to enter the domain you want to connect, so add it here. After that, click on the next button. Now it will appear to connect your GoDaddy domain, so connect manually. Click on the connect manually button, and now it will ask you to verify the connection to make sure your domain is set up correctly, so click on the verify connection button. Now to connect your GoDaddy domain, you have to log in into your GoDaddy account and change your settings. So follow the step-by-step instructions to get started. To connect your domain manually, you have to log in into your account that you have with the third-party domain provider, and then find your DNS settings, domain management area, DNS configuration or similar. Now edit your A record to point to Shopify's IP address. In the type or record type field, enter or choose the @ symbol or A record. Now after that, save the A record by clicking save zone file, add record or similar. Change your subdomain CNAME record point to shops.myshopify.com. And after that, they will ask for your type, so select your type, whatever it is, and then click on the save button. Also, after adding type A and host endpoints, your IP address, check for the time and click on the save button. After saving, go back to your Shopify account and now click on the verify your domain button. Now you have to go back to your Shopify account and click on the preferences button and click on the disable password button. After that, scroll down, and now on the password protection, there is enable password button, so you have to uncheck it and then click to save all the changes. So that's all for this video. That's how you can solve Shopify domain name Bad Auth Code. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.